With the original Porta Potty, Thetford's portable toilet line, you can be prepared for every situation. Porta Potties are freshwater flush toilets that can be taken anywhere they are needed. They're sanitary, odorless, leak-proof, easy to use and clean, durable and rugged. The two-piece design and the subsequent ability to easily separate the two tanks adds tremendous convenience and functionality. Waste and odors are sealed off when not in use. The top half holds the fresh water used to wash down the bowl during flushing. The bottom half stores waste until it's time to be emptied into a toilet. A Thetford Porta Potty portable toilet is a natural for camping, RVing, boating, tailgating, or bedside use.
Hey everybody, Scott here, and today I'm going to tell you about Camco's portable toilets. Camco's portable toilets are perfect for use when RVing, boating, camping, and many other recreational activities. They're compact, lightweight, and constructed of durable polymer. The top half features a 2.5-gallon flush tank with a removable cap and easy-to-use bellows-type flush. It's secured to the holding tank by two side latches. The holding tank has a slide valve that locks in odors and protects against leakage. Once detached from the flush tank, you can remove the cap for easy waste removal. The portable toilet is available in two sizes, one with a 5.3-gallon holding tank and one with a 2.6-gallon holding tank. So there you have it, Camco's portable toilets. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Replacing your RV toilet is similar to and about as easy as replacing a home toilet. You'll find full installation instructions in your Thetford Toilet Owner's Manual. Start by turning off your old toilet's water supply. Disconnect your old toilet from its water hookup and the floor. Remove the old toilet and replace the old closet flange with the new one that's included with your Thetford toilet. With mounting bolts in place, position the new toilet over the flange. Tighten the nuts onto the bolts. Connect the water line to the new toilet, turn on the water supply, and flush test.